COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It's a chronic form of disease which is progressive and it is not fully curable. But and the people with this disease, they have persistent symptoms and they have episodes of sudden exacerbation of their symptoms from time to time, and eventually after a certain time they would come to a point where there would hardly be any treatment and death would ensue. So it's a progressive disease which is not curable. See, the most important symptoms are cough, sputum production, breathlessness, wheezing. They may initially be breathless only with activity, climbing up a hill or climbing up stairs, but after the disease progresses, they may feel short of breath even with slightest movements and activities. And the symptoms tend to be aggravated, particularly more during the winter season, but they have symptoms around the year, and they have to control their symptoms with the use of certain medicines on a regular basis. And the most important cause for the disease is definitely cigarette smoking. Environmental pollution is another very important issue which has come to light and which is known to cause this disease or even aggravate symptoms in patients who already have pre-existing disease. Then besides environmental exposure, occupational exposures, they have also been known to worsen this problem. And recently it has been also understood that when children are born early, or if there is poor lung growth for a child who is prematurely born, so even these children are likely to develop chronic obstructive pulmonary disease later on in life. Well, COPD, first of all, when a patient comes, we must make a definitive diagnosis of the disease. So we use various investigations. Most importantly, there is an investigation called pulmonary function test, which is a very simple test called spirometry. And by doing that test, we can define whether a person has obstructive airway disease or not. And based on their symptoms, we can say that they have chronic obstructive airway disease or pulmonary disease. And once the disease is diagnosed, then I've already told you there is no cure, and we can only give drugs to give relief to the patient. And most importantly, nowadays because it's an airway disease, so there are drugs which go directly to the airways and give good relief to the patient and have very little adverse effects. So they are called inhaled drugs. You may have seen people using inhalers and certain other devices to inhale drugs, So this is one of the best ways of giving it. But unfortunately, when we see patients who are already on these drugs, a good majority of them are not taking them properly. That is the biggest challenge for us in teaching them how to take it properly so that they get full benefit of these medicines. Besides the inhaled drugs, there are other oral drugs also which can also be used. So anyone who has this problem has to consult his doctor and go for the specific medicines. I come across all kinds of cases, people who have very mild disease, who have recently been diagnosed to have COPD, to those who have been taking drugs for years. And I even see patients who have end stage chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and many of them are even on long term oxygen therapy, which is taking round the clock oxygen for years at home. Okay, so if they don't take oxygen, their heart would also get damaged, and they will have further progression of the disease and worsening symptoms, So all kinds of patients we come across. See, in Nepal, one of the major factors is smoking. Okay, besides smoking, we have realized that a lot of our household are still using daura and goita, which is wood logs and dried cow dung cakes for cooking in their kitchen. So many of these women, even if they are not smokers, they are exposed to fumes for years, and they tend to have they tend to develop chronic obstructive pulmonary disease later on in life, you know. Besides these two important factors in our country, atmospheric pollution is another important factor. And then certain people who are exposed to certain industrial dusts, they are at further enhanced risk, you know, of developing this problem. See, my best message is for those who are smoking, they should quit smoking. And our environment is deteriorating day by day, so we have to keep that also in mind. And even in this pandemic of COVID, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease deaths are still a very major cause of death. In fact, COPD is the third leading cause of death worldwide, you know. So people should understand that, and they should refrain from smoking. They should keep their environment clean. And for those who are already diagnosed with the disease, I urge them to make regular appointments with their doctors and take their medicines properly. They should learn the correct technique of taking the drugs properly and take care of themselves.